Nation.
What's up, CloudLife? It's Cash Flow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on crypto and XRP. And today we are going to be taking a look at the market today and some news. So this video is going to be quite longer than usual. So thank you guys for coming to this channel. And if you feel compelled to sub by what you see and hear on here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and help me grow this channel. It helps when you like this video, helps the algorithm out, so I appreciate that. Before we get started, everybody that knows already, this is a God-first channel and a God-fearing channel. So I always have to acknowledge Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior before I get started in any news that I present and anything that I do on this channel, because he is worthy of praise. So thank you for hearing this. Something that the Lord has put in my spirit. I'm going to be doing, he has actually put a lot on me to speak about, but one thing that he really wants me to talk about today is healing. I'm going to be doing a teaching on healing. A lot of people are in a place of hurt, brokenheartedness, a lot of doubt, healing of, self-doubt, self-hate, and a lot of things. So this is a topic that I'm going to definitely do a teaching on. So if you guys are into Bible studies, this is a Bible study that I will be teaching on very soon. I do want to gather all the information that the Lord is going to download into me before I speak on this, because I do not play around when it comes to the Lord's voice and what he has me to say and what he has me to do. So this is something that I'm going to take my time when the time is right to give a full message on healing. All right, that being said, I'm going to jump into this content today. We have quite a bit to cover, and we have quite a bit of charts to analyze today. So you guys bear with me as we move along with this video today. I hope you guys are blessed today. It's been an interesting week already, and it's just beginning. 2021 is just beginning. So I'm excited. If you are excited about this year, definitely tell me your thoughts, what you think is going to happen this year. I see big things and big opportunities happening this year, despite what everybody is saying and despite what it's looking like. You can't go by what you see. You got to have some faith and just watch how things happen and be in prayer about all things. All right. So that being said, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start with this part. Some of you guys have gave me some fire on Twitter about what I had said about them speeding up the process of between XRP and Ripple. I mean, between the SEC and Ripple. And I'm gonna connect some stuff and make it make sense to you guys, because this is something that you have to realize that this is a big giant chess game to them. They're not going to flat out tell you verbatim from their mouth what their plans are, because that's how big money moves and controls things in this space, especially the financial sector, because they love money. And we know that the love of money is the root of all evil. Not money itself, but the love of money is. So this is something that I do want to touch on today, to connect some stuff for you guys, because a lot of things y'all see, but y'all aren't connecting everything together. So here's something that I said on Twitter. If you guys don't follow me already on Twitter, at Cash Flow Nexus, Mr. Kumo. Mr. Kumo stands for Mr. Cloud, and I trade the Ichimoku style. So if you guys do not know that, you'll see it if you are new to this channel. So that being said, I said, read between the lines. Even Joe Kratz is, as y'all know, David Schwartz, said they don't have much time to accomplish what they need to get done with their mission. An expedited trial will happen. Do we not forget what Ripple's mission is? Sometimes the truth is hidden in plain sight, and without warning, things are clear. To justify what I'm saying here, there was a time where David Schwartz said the price of XRP will move very fast, so people would be able to jump in the market. And and it's funny how they're knocking people from getting being able to purchase XRP off exchanges, and I'll get into that very soon. And I have a little bonus for you guys towards the end of this, but things are just starting to connect, and people are starting to see it for themselves. And if you don't see it, you just don't see it. You just don't get it. Period. I said XRP success will happen this year. The SEC know they dropped the ball, and investors, retail investors, took a hit, while institutional investors were biting their chops, foaming at the mouth. The checkmate is right around the corner. Why do you doubt what you already know to be true? Is it too good to believe, or has the bear market left a psychological impact on you? Like you all claim, watch what they do, not what they say. Grayscale getting more XRP was no accident. Your proof is in front of your faces. Be blessed in Jesus' name and be patient. This is something I said today. You guys know that I do not play when it comes to connecting stuff and seeing it and saying it flat out for what it is. Now, if you choose to accept it, that's on you. If you choose to deny it, that's on you as well. I don't care either way. I'm not here for a following. I'm here to do, give you guys content. And if you choose to follow me, that's on you. I'm not here for a following. I'm just here to give you guys information, and you take it as is or you leave it. I say pray about it. And, if you are a praying person, pray about it. If it makes sense to you, great. If it don't, then cool. You have your opinion. I have mine. Moving on to the next, I'm going to go back to what Grayscale was doing here. Shout out to Ryan Chase. He put this out in my Facebook group. It said here, and this is also by @CryptoWell. He posted this breaking news. Pretty much, Grayscale Trust has made their largest purchase of XRP ever after scooping up another 12.48 million coins on New Year's Eve after massive panic sell-off. Now, like I said, connecting dots do not, despite what they're saying about the battle between the SEC and Ripple, the reason why this is going to happen faster than what you guys expect, they're getting you guys out of this market by not allowing you to be able to purchase XRP off exchanges. This is why they're trying to get rid of it. Expect some big movement to start happening between the 6th, when we officially have a president in office, and I'll get into that shortly. When we officially have a president in office, for one, because we know whoever it gets in office, the new team of the SEC is pro crypto. All right. And there's no doubt about XRP not being, that there's no doubt in anybody that has done their research. And even the SBI has already stated that this lawsuit won't last long. There's articles that even back that. So this article will have little impact because, the SEC lawsuit will have little impact because everybody knows that XRP is not a security. And, the retail investors are already, looking to attack the SEC because they took a hit. They took a financial hit. It was a big blow to them. So it's only a matter of time before a lot of people start standing up to the SEC. And you already see there's a petition going out on Twitter talking about the retail investors. Some of us are already coming after the SEC already. So it is interesting to see how this is going to play out. So things will start happening a lot faster than what you guys are thinking. Everything is right in front of us, but you have to read between the lines. Things are hidden in plain sight for you guys. All right. So going to the next. So this is another thing. Ryan Chase again. The judge asked Ripple, the SEC, to expedite trial. Some of you guys have already seen this article. I'm not really going to go too much into it, but they're speaking to you without saying it verbatimly. We already see that they bumped up the trial to the 15th of February, but I believe it's going to happen sometime in this month to start getting things done. Now, you could take it as is. You don't have to believe what I say. I don't really care either way. I think and I see how things are playing out right now. Look at the big players, and even right here, SBI believes lawsuit against Ripple will have a minor impact on company's business. And everything already is here for people to see. So if I will link this article, if some of you guys have not read it already, to check it out. Some of you guys have read it and seen it already. Some of you guys haven't, and some of you guys have seen the document of what's going on with the court case with this situation. All right, but like I said before, I believe bigger things are playing out and things are leading to a speedy move for this to get done. There's no reason why it's not going to get done, especially if institutional players are involved. They like their money and they want their money quick. They don't play around when it comes to this. So expect a lot of people to expect this to move faster than what you are expecting, you guys. And you could say conspiracy theory, but everything, like, the evidence is in your face. It really is literally in your face, you guys. And you have to connect the dots. They don't tell you what they're doing because smart money does not speak on what they do. They show you a little bit and then they take it away. So, and if you don't believe this, you guys, why are they making it so you can't buy any off exchanges after I believe the 19th? If you guys, they're scaring everybody into not getting any more XRP. Get what you can while you can, because they're not going. If they do knock it off, you won't have nowhere to get no XRP. Few exchanges will even allow you to do that. And especially if you're from Texas, it's already hard enough if you're from Texas to find an exchange that's going to even allow you to get any crypto, period. So, or trade crypto for that matter. All right. So moving on to the next tab. This was from XRP Not at XRP Not on Twitter. He said Bitcoin down, XRP up. This could be the new trend. Looks good to me. Feel free to follow me for more XRP updates. So here is something interesting. XRP lists at number 4 right here underneath USD Tether. You see that XRP is up 6.25% today. And I actually told everybody to buy XRP yesterday. If you guys don't remember, I'll show you guys. I said just yesterday, buy XRP. And you see here that Bitcoin is down 9.36%, which is interesting. Why all of a sudden? Well, we know why, because everything is being set up for this. It's all been planned. It's right in your face. You guys, it doesn't get more obvious than this. If you don't want to believe it, that's up to you. If you want to believe it, great. But you got to understand, if you really understand your project and what you invested in, you understand that XRP is going to be the standard when it comes to the crypto space. That's why they're scared to let us have a piece of this pie, to scare you out and to get half of you guys out of here while they have a chance to get you out. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into this technical analysis. I want to look at XRP, XLM, and ALGO, see what the market's going to do. And hopefully tonight I'll do a live stream. I was thinking about not doing a live stream tonight. I don't know if I am or not. I'm not feeling too well, but I will be doing what I can and I will let you guys know. All right, so jumping into this technical analysis. So I'm going to start off with the weekly time frame. We have 6 days until this candle closes, but I do like something here, and depending on how this candle closes, because you never know how a candle is going to close when you look at it. So here, 2 things that I see already. This, if it closes like this, and say price just moves sideways for the rest of this week, which it will be ranging at that 23-cent point, and we see that 23-cent point is a strong level of support as we've seen here. So if we do maintain that level of support, what I'm expecting personally is for the market to move up, especially because this candle that I see currently it will signify a buying position. It's going to be a inverted hammer at support, suggesting that the market will move up higher. We did get that breakout of this Y wave. You could call it a wedge as well, but we did get a breakout. So a move back to the upside is possible. I'm not saying it is, but it is possible. And we're still right on the support of this cloud, so we could move higher here. Looking here on the daily time frame, which is what I'm liking the most. Those that do not trade the Ichimoku system don't have an idea what this C clamp formation is, and I'll show you why I like this here. Whenever you see the blue line go flat and you see the red line coming down, this is called a C clamp, and I drew it out for you guys so you guys could see this. What this is indicating is saying that the market is going to range because the blue line is flat. That's what this says. But at the same time, this is saying that the price wants to act as a magnet and move towards our blue line. So we may get a rise to the upside here at these levels, and I'll show you why, or show you where rather. We could get a move back up to the 34-cent zone, and we could get a move back up to this zone here, taking us back to 41 cents, just based off the this formation here. It's not saying that it's going to happen, it's saying that it has a potential to happen. Now we have a daily candle that's about to close in 2 hours and 35 minutes, which is going to be the same pattern that we saw on the weekly time frame, suggesting that the market may reverse back to the upside here. This is a signal that are saying bulls may want to enter, and that's why I feel more inclined to buy at these levels. And I'm going to finish off at the 4-hour time frame, and this is what I like here. And I had these two yellow lines here. We had a Ichimoku span breakout, suggesting that we may get a price reversal right here. And you see that price did go up the other day pretty high. Well, it did go up high, but it went up pretty good here. I do like this, and it's suggesting that we may get that rise to the upside. Another thing here, the cloud is starting to get weak at this point. We may get a Kumo twist, which will be our cloud going from blue to purple, which is suggesting once it goes purple, that's a bullish signal that the market may continue to the upside. As long as we hold support at this 23-cent level, we should see prices rise. Another thing here that I do see is that the RCI is still bullish. The main trend is bearish, but the current trend is in bullish territory over the zero level. If this purple line crosses beneath the zero, then I'm gonna have to change my tune and go with a bearish market and a bearish bias, but we do not have that signal yet, while we see the main trend is starting to move higher to the upside. So I do like this. It's signaling that we could potentially move higher. The ultimate oscillator, we're still underneath the 50, so I will be cautious here and watch. What we do not want to see is for the white line to dip underneath the price candles here. If we see the white line dip underneath the price candles, we will see prices take a hit further down to the downside. So I am going to watch this 4-hour time frame, and that's my analysis on XRP. Moving over to XLM, let me go ahead and pull up the XLM chart for you guys so we could see what's going on here. XLM weekly time frame. Currently, right now, I still have price moving up to these levels at 31 cents to 38-cent level, which is very crazy because right now, if you look at the price of XRP and XLM, they're very close together right now. If this weekly candle closes bullish like this is a bullish engulfing candle, which will signal buyers to enter, bringing us back up to these prices up here that I see. So that's what I see for XLM off the weekly time frame. Coming here on the daily chart, we are about to get a Ichimoku span breakout right here, which is what I'm going to be patient for. These are my targets for now based off the lower time frames. So we do have a Ichimoku span breakout on the 4-hour time frame, and price is starting to break up higher with a Kumo twist currently. So I am going to watch and see how this market is going to respond here. We almost hit our first target, which is cool. I do expect the price of XLM to reach into these zones up here. Finishing off with ALGO now, I'm going to see what ALGO is doing. ALGO, I'm going to check the weekly chart. And if you guys watch my live streams, I still believe that ALGO will come up to here. It's in a channel right now, but we do have some resistance right here, as I said during the live stream, which is why we see prices starting to take a hit right now. We need to maintain above this key level for ALGO. And I'm going to draw this, actually, this level right here is where we need to maintain above, which is above the 39-cent threshold. As we need to stay above this level. As long as we're above the 39-cent level, we could still see prices move higher. Right now, the market is flat. Our key June and our sequence span A and B are flat here. Let me draw that out for you guys so you can see. A, I need to change the color so y'all could actually see it. So A is flat, B is flat, and I'm talking about these areas. And then our key June is flat as well. So this is saying that the market momentum on the higher time frame is flat. So we don't have any momentum on this daily chart. 4 hour, you see here that it is flat and the market is just moving sideways, ranging between 46 cents and the low of 39 cents. Like I said, we need to maintain above this to continue higher. We are bullish based off the daily, the 4 hour time frame and the daily, but we're just flat right now. Coming down to the 1 hour time frame, we're starting to get bearish here, so we may want to watch this and see how the price performs here at this level. If we take off the cloud, we do have a double top pattern, which is something that I would be cautious of if you are holding it. We could get this move here to the downside. All right, that is something that I am eyeing just based off the lower time frame. We might get that correction before we get that move back to the upside here. We are still flat. Everything's flat, but we are underneath the cloud here, and we have a Chiku span breakout. If Chiku span breaks underneath the cloud here, our Kumo, we will see the price of ALGO start to dwindle to the downside. And we are starting to get price action right now. If this candle closes in the next 29 minutes, which will be a bearish engulfing candle, and we will see price move lower to the downside. Right now, signs is pointing to the downside. Our ultimate oscillator is about to break the 50 level, and then our RCI is in bearish territory underneath the 0 level. If it gets into the negative 80 level, we will see price stay down for a long time for ALGO. So far, I have to lean toward the downside for ALGO. I probably see price coming back down here and retesting or somewhere down at these levels. So be patient, be watching the market, expecting the market to possibly move a lot lower for ALGO and maybe even some of these other cryptos that we are looking at. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. God bless you guys. See you in the next one and stay tuned. God bless and peace.